What's up, guys? So today we're going to draw Itachi from Naruto, the Sharingan clan. So we're going to start with his collar that covered his mouth. So very simple. I start from the edge of your page because this is a close-up and we're going to use the entire page to draw him and his face. You go across and we go down, right across, down like that. That's the back part of it. And there's another line that's in front. So we follow the whole way around like that. Now we'll do the front, comes down, just like that. And so there's a red section and a black section. Right, so his face is framed with hair. So we're just going to come in and draw a line down here. So that's the dark section. And then there's a lighter section beside that. So it's just another line, just like that. Now, so we're going to do the spiky here. So one line that's on his face. And another one goes across his eye. It gets pretty pointy at the end. See if you can manage that one. Now we'll go over to the other side and we'll draw the other piece of hair. Just like that. So you have a nice area to work in for the headband and the eyes and things like that. So we'll do the other bit of hair that runs down from the top of the page all the way to the bottom down there. And it gets thinner as we go down. Just like that. And then there's another one on this side. Just like that. And then skinnier again, comes down. So we have the three pieces of hair that are in front of his face, and then the hair on the side. Now we're going to put in his headband. Just a line where it sits on his forehead, just there, in between the hair. So we jump over the hair, and then we go all the way across the other side, and then jump over hair again, back over in there, jump over the hair, back in there. Then we have another line that just shows the rim of the headband. So you just do a line there, jump over, cross, jump over, cross, jump over, cross like that. We have the spiral, you know, the leaf spiral just on his headband. So if you start just with a little U shape, kind of like that, and then we'll continue this around. So we just go and don't worry if it's not a perfect circle. People will get the idea. The way around like that. And then there's the point on the front. Just like that. And of course he was kicked out of the village, so we have to draw the scratch mark that goes across the whole thing. And it's kind of a two-line thing because it's deep. So we'll do one there, and then we'll do the other one on top. It's kind of bumpy because it's the scratch mark. If you want, you can color that in black just so. Now once you have it all colored in, we're going to start his right eye. So we have a little line just this side of the hair, little tiny little line for an eyelid, and then there's an eyebrow, just starts in here, and you can color that in black as well. And then that line continues just down towards the nose, and then you have a little nose line just there. So you've that eyebrow going up, just up above the eye. Now, so we'll do the rest of that eyebrow that just is in there. And then we have a line just across between those two pieces of hair. One. And then one just at the bottom here. So it goes across, up, and these join together in eyelashes on this side. So we go oop, little zigzags, and then back in. You can color them, and you can only see a little bit of the white of the eye on that side, so you can color those in black. And then this is part of the eyelash as well, so this will be quite deep and dark. So that's quite thick because it's eyelash. And then in there we have a semicircle line just on this side. And you can make that a bit thicker. And that continues just around, making this bit a little bit thicker, all the way around to another semicircle line just here on this side. Just goes around like that. And there you go. Start of the eye. Now, so we're gonna just do a circle in there for the pupil. Now Itachi's pupil is actually red when he has his Sharingan. So that's red in there, and there's a black shape around it. So what we're going to do is draw another little black circle, or a semicircle, should I say. Just around that, all the way around and up. And then another little, you'll leave a little circle for a sparkle or a shine in the eye. And then that'll all be black. And then we'll add the spikes coming off his Sharingan. So we have one that goes that way, and a little spike that comes down to meet it down there. So there's one, and then another one on this side. So we have a curved line from there to there, and then we make them pointy. So it just curves back into the eye there. There's another one. So 1, 2. And if you want, you can color that in red if you have a red marker handy, which I do. So just red. So that always makes any of these types of drawings a bit more interesting when you add a tiny little bit of color. And there's a little line just around there. We'll round that up a bit. Now, so we forgot there's a few eyelashes just on little spikes that come out of this part, and then one there, a line there. Okay, so Itachi as well has those characteristic lines that are on the side of his face. So one goes down, just curves like that, and then it comes across that piece of hair, and then down that eye. So those strange lines that he has, those markings on his face. So you can put in another just line to tell where his nose is, and then we're going to go across to the other eye. So we'll do a straight line from this piece of hair all the way across, and these go up into eyelashes again. So we have a pretty spiky one, and then there's a thicker one, so zigzag lines back like that, and then it goes down just there, and we can fill that in. And of course, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video at any point just to get a feel for what I'm doing. So I'm just making these eyelashes thicker. See, like that? So it's just a thicker line. And then we have some eyelashes on the bottom. And then we go across. So from here we go across to the hairline. Just like that. And across here. And a little kick up. Just like that. A little tick at the end. We're going to finish the eye. Comes down. And just to meet that one. Just there. And so there's an eyebrow as well. So we're just going to do a line down from the headband, and then we go back up, and then that'll be black as well. In there we have a little piece of black eyebrow as well, and then just a line for his eyelid on top, and we'll do his same shape on this side. It's just like a little tick, sort of. And we'll go into the eye to get the other Sharingan done. So we go around like that on that side, and then another little curved line in there, and then we do a thicker part for the edge of the eye, and that goes circular around there. It just gets a bit thicker around the edge of that redness, just like here, and then it goes back up. Yeah, so then we'll draw in the pupil. So just a circle there. And then another one for a shine wherever you can fit it beside it. And then we'll do the circle for the black part of his Sharingan in around that. It curves up that way. And it goes back around, and you can barely see it because of the hair there. So you can just colour that in black. And then we'll add the spikes. So we go one up, and then back down. They're like shark fins, just on the side there. And the other one is just underneath his hair, so you can't really see it. But we can add a little tiny little line like that. And then you can colour that in red as well if you'd like. A little bit red in there. So we'll just tidy bits of that up. Make them a bit more round and darker. So then that's his eyes. Sorry, just those little lines again. And then we can add more hairlines just on the side. So just to fill that in a bit. Just diagonal spikes. There's a long strip of hair here. And we have a line just for the side of his face. You can see a bit of his skin here, and there's hair there. And then there's black. And of course you can colour his hair in black as well. I'll put up a colour at the end. So just more lines for hair. And there you go. Itachi.